there's always been a place you can go have your fresh fish dinner prepared for you that you can caught. Some reef material that was placed out here, and it's an ecosystem with a whole variety of species of fish, from little bitty stuff to great big stuff. These people has already had their first snow, and to come down here with the shorts and t-shirts and catching their lunch. Real, he's still there.
It's like a mangrove snapper.
Smooth.
Nice and smooth.
Good. That was a struggle there for a second, but that's a great catch. Snapper, you said they were.
There he goes.
Boats are here, the captains are here. They get some value added. We always get some fun out of adding some enjoyment to people that are visiting here, especially if they had a great day fishing.
Sweet potatoes, delicious. Blackened with our Caribbean flair.
Great day.
Doesn't get better than this right here.